Want to protect your precious photos and videos from being lost? In this quick guide, I'll show you to enable backup in Google Photos so your memories stay safe and accessible anytime. Start by opening the Google Photos app on your Android phone. If you haven't already, sign in with the Google account you want to use for your backups. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have more than one Google account on your device. Next, tap your profile picture or initial in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, tap Photo Settings, then select Backup. You'll now see the Backup Settings page. Tap the backup switch to turn it on. Google Photos will begin backing up your photos and videos automatically. Depending on how many files you have and the speed of your internet connection, the first backup may take some time to complete. Keeping your phone connected to Wi-Fi and charging can help the process finish faster. You can also review additional backup options, such as choosing the upload quality, deciding whether to backup using mobile data, and selecting which device folders to include. These settings let you customize how Google Photos protects your memories. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy Android tips and tutorials.